They got my daughter. I have another daughter in here
not
somewhere.
approach me. Have a seat.
No.
Have a seat. Dude, stay back.
They got her.
What's your name?
Richard.
How old's your daughter?
14. They're running a sex crime thing right here, right now. I'm telling you guys right now.
I got another officer on their way.
Figure it out.
Richard, you're going to stay calm.
I'm giving you a f***ing warning right now. They f***ed it up. Go find her right now. Now.
Why are you yelling?
He's saying his daughter was taken by somebody else. But they've been trying to talk with me, but I haven't been able to talk with them because he's yelling. It's causing a scene, but
I'm calling a scene?
he's saying that his daughter was taken by the hotel staff.
Yes.
His 14-year-old
She was
daughter.
taken by... You guys are f***ing idiots.
How drunk are you?
Really? Drunk? Not drunk. Not at all. Go kiss your own man.
Stay here with him.
Yeah, I am.
So, the other girl, she's 14 years old. She came with us. She told me that I need to call the police right now. She does not feel safe with him. She never does. She said she does not want to be a part of any of this because if he knows that she's a part of it, he will beat her until she's passed out and dead.
So
she's
I'm the
14
mom
years
of
old.
all of these people, and she came up to me and she's like, "You're her mom?" No.
No.
I'm the
My mom.
He came up and basically gave me his older daughter. He goes, "She can stay with you tonight."
She's safe in our room. He doesn't know where it is at all. What she told me is that their mom is not around. They have a stepmom who is here, and if she finds out that he is drunk, she will be upset at the older daughter as well, and she fears getting beat by both of them, is what she told me. 14 years old.
I'm 48 years old and a mother. He literally gave me his older daughter, and then when I said,
So are you related to him at all?
I've never met him before. I'm from Kansas City. He goes, "You can just keep him." Then he was like, "Wait a minute, maybe I shouldn't give away both of my f***ing kids." And he literally walked around and then told us we were all gonna get f***ed up.
Listen to me and go protect my goddamn kid.
And that's what we're doing.
No, you're not. You're standing here on top of me, and when you should be over there looking at her.
She told me that if he found her, he would beat her until she was passed out. Even if that's an exaggeration, that's never
I don't
okay
care
to
if all of
ever
it's an
feel that way.
exaggeration.
Sit down, off, man.
Sit down.
What the f*** are you doing to me?
Sit down. Listen.
You have no f***ing... What the f*** are you doing talking to me?
Richard,
You'll get it. My daughter's out there by herself.
she's not by herself. I know where she is.
Bullshit.
Here's the thing. She doesn't want to be around you right now.
Okay, so my daughter's here? You got my daughter?
Yeah, I know where she is.
Okay, fine.
But
All right.
she's
Good.
not going to come over here.
All right,
Okay.
good.
How much have you had to drink?
I haven't had much to drink at all. We haven't had that much to drink, so it's not a problem.
All of a sudden, the mother from the other involved party starts yelling at her newly arrived husband.
Or what? Did you get him arrested?
Just hitting me in my head.
You, Aaron. Because your son's a f***. I asked him what's going on, and he does this
Hello?
in a FaceTime?
Hello?
You a
We have enough to deal with.
I didn't hit him. Oh my
Get on the
God.
ground.
What are you doing?
Get on the ground.
I didn't do anything. Stop. Stop.
Get on.
I'm not doing anything.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Stop.
Get on the ground.
Did you
Well,
break
stop pulling away.
Don't break my wrist, you dumbass.
Get back.
Oh, no,
Get back.
telling you to
Get back.
touch my wife.
Go.
Get that
Do not
fucking
swat at
dude
me.
in the
Don't touch me.
Stay back.
You know who I am?
I don't care right now.
I don't care who you are either. Don't
Get
touch
back.
my
Get back.
wife
Get back.
like that.
Get back. Get back. Sit down. Get back.
She's talking to me.
Go.
Oh my God. Now. Oh my God, now.
Step back.
We're back.
Go. I can't do my job because you're standing too close to
You're
us.
not f***ing doing my job. You're serving to
Put
me.
your hand down.
I'm telling you, in all f***ing
Put your hands up
disparity,
again.
my hands are here.
Okay.
What I'm telling you is keep your f***ing distance from me because
No.
I haven't confronted you yet.
You did.
What up?
You did when I was over here dealing with her.
No, that's
Yes.
the wrong f***ing
Step
person.
back.
So where?
Do not stand
I'm
back.
telling you, let her f***ing go.
Keep doing that.
Let the
Listen.
What is this for? What is this? She and I had a conversation. You have no right to get in the middle of it. Believe it or not, based on what actions you don't tell me to go. What actions did you have to get involved in?
Further away. We can't deal with what we're dealing with now.
Yeah, you can. I can do it right there.
No, not safely.
Look,
Yeah, you can.
look at me.
And you're not allowed to grab people like that. Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't, dumbass.
Give me your badge number.
There's no number on that badge. There's an ID number.
What's your ID number?
It's 4009.
That's
And what's her name? Her number.
We will get to the
bullshit.
Listen.
So what reason did she have to attack her like that? Because my wife and I were having a conversation?
There's a difference between a conversation and
Justify it. Justify it.
I
I
wasn't
don't
there.
need you to tell me to
wasn't
step back.
there.
I'm
I
asking
will
you
tell
for
you. Put your hand down and step
Give
back.
me a reason.
back. Listen.
How you put your hands on me?
Now that's it.
Your hands on your back.
Now you're going.
Take my phone.
Oh my God, I'm not doing it, dumbass.
Now for battery.
Battery? Battery. On the ground. Stop resisting or you're going to get tagged. No one's resisting. Stop resisting or you're going to get tagged.
Put your hand behind your back. Now.
I didn't do anything. Next time, just let a little girl get kidnapped, you dumb.
You're gonna be famous on YouTube.
Yeah.
I already am.
What reason did you have to detain her like that?
Relax, man.
No, I'm asking
Relax.
you a f***ing question. I'm not relaxing. Anyway.
Huh?
Bring him up. I'm gonna have you sit down right here, all right, man? Can you act like an adult?
Adult?
Yes.
None of you motherfuckers could act like a child answering my question as to why she was down on the
Dude,
ground.
I just got here.
That has
just got here.
nothing
I'm
to
trying to
do with
figure out what's going
How
on.
about you and you? What
Okay, I haven't got a
reason
chance.
was she put down on the ground? What reason was she put down
I haven't had an
on the
opportunity to
ground?
speak with her.
That has nothing to do
Right.
with my question.
Did she commit a crime?
You're not involved in this.
Yes
I
or
am.
no?
It's my
You was
daughter.
right here.
Did she commit
Then
a
yes,
crime?
she did. That's why she
What-
didn't have.
What crime?
I'm not speaking.
Tell me right now.
I got nothing else to
What
speak to.
crime? What crime am I helping?
Until you take this help me, I am not moving.
You're not allowed to grab people's food.
I didn't grab anyone.
Yeah, you did.
I called 911 to help those baby girls. This is how I get treated.
That's what happens when you put your hands on something.
Shut the f- up.
You have to commit a crime for you to detain someone.
No, you have to be suspected of a crime.
No, that's absolutely incorrect.
Okay. Sorry.
No.
Let's go.
No one else.
Stand up.
This is my wife over here.
Stand up.
You have her deported.
Okay.
And you guys let him leave. He's already
Your place doesn't mean anything.
Please spread your feet apart.
My feet are apart.
Sir,
Yes,
water.
sir.
Please spread your feet apart more
So
water.
that's a different question.
Okay. I'm done playing games with you.
Done playing games with me?
Yes.
Welcome to the club, my man.
I know.
Water ID.
You're f***ing great, and I'm an idiot. However, you'll find out in the days to come that is not me. Correct this test. Thanks.
Surprisingly, this still isn't over, as Richard walks out of the hotel after officers put the other male in the squad car.
All right, Richard. Stay here. Sit down. Sit down. Listen. Set your feet down.
You're letting a pedophile get away with a baby
Well, the
girl.
more we're dealing with this is the less time we have to deal with that. So that's
Well,
what we're
then
trying to
guess
figure
what?
out
That's
what's
your
going
choice.
on. No, it's not our choice. It's
It
your
actually
choice
is because
you're
I
not.
wouldn't be like this if you would have treated me like a
Here, just
human.
sit up so we can talk
No.
and figure it out. Okay.
Do not touch me until you take these handcuffs off. Do not.
Real big guy, aren't you?
Yes.
Is there any?
And this is how I want to spend my trip. I spent 10 grand to take my family down here, and this is. I should have just gone out to the bar.
Are you hurting anyway?
Yeah, I am hurting anyway. Look at my wrist. Look at my shoulder, and look at my actual knee right there has something hurt.
Are you gonna make sure you don't run away?
Yes, he ran away. He's beating his children.
I haven't got a chance to speak to anybody about this. Officer Hansel's the one that talked to you guys.
You were there, so don't you...
What are you talking
Okay. I didn't get a chance to talk with you. I had to go deal with
get away
things.
from him before I talk to you.
Yeah.
But I will talk to you. I will talk to you. I'm sorry.
Step over here away from him.
You want me to start from the beginning or where do you want me to start?
Yeah, from the beginning. Listen, the only information I was pointed to this guy, and that's all I've got.
Okay, I
was
understand
told that
and
he
you
hit
can't-
somebody,
yes.
and I have to stop him from leaving. But then I
Okay.
turn around and your mom's fighting another officer.
No, I understand. Okay, so from the beginning, well, me and my boyfriend are waiting for them for dinner, right? His mom says, Sophia, come here. I'm Sophia. His little girl that is in his arms, the same Sophia too. She's like being weird kind of, but she's like, can you come here? Like, this girl's named Sophia too. So I go over there, right? She's like, do not let these girls out of their sight. It's the 5-year-old that's in his arms and this 14-year-old. They're both his arms.
You know where the 14-year-old is?
Yes, she is safe in my room. I go with the daughter of the guy. She's like, my dad is very drunk, and when he gets drunk, he gets abusive. He hits me when he's drunk. I do not feel safe at all with him. I'm like, okay, that's not good. He literally is giving his little baby and the 14-year-old to us. He's like, yeah, they can stay with you for the night. Keep in mind, we don't know him, never met him, don't have his number, nothing. He's just literally trying to give his kids away. So we're like, this is really weird. We're literally about to leave for our dinner reservation. So we think it's really strange. The 14-year-old tells me that, please call the police. I do not feel safe going home with him. And the police were already on their way because he had already smacked the fuck out of his mom and then pushed the fuck out of her. And my boyfriend, against better judgment, didn't do anything because he doesn't want to get arrested either.
Okay.
Hey, get away!
All right, give me a second.
I've had enough. Get the away from my kid. I've had enough strange people around my kid today. I got another kid out there missing.
She's not missing. She's finally.
We've already told you.
No!
What?
No!
Stop. Hey,
They don't know where she's at.
look at me. Calm down. Walk with us.
I want my kid back.
All right, calm.
So get her.
Stop.
Then find her.
Relax. You're drunk. You're also
I ain't drunk.
trying to help you right now.
No, I'm not drunk.
All right?
I ain't stupid either, man.
Yes, you can
Where is she at?
You can come with me to her room if you want, or my room.
Well,
But I don't want him a part of it.
yes.
Sorry, this is my boyfriend's grandpa.
The girl said that guy was hidden.
And that's what I've been trying to get information like this.
Okay,
but I haven't been able to.
Can you take us there?
Yes.
So that we don't
Yes, I don't want him a part of it.
He's not leaving anywhere.
You guys are all together, right?
He will get.
I know this is your.
That's my girl.
This is your girlfriend.
She will get beat. That is my grandpa.
Okay. Yeah.
Is she in your room right now?
Yeah, she's in my room with his little sister. You guys can.
You're fine. Yeah.
You guys need to get away from this because that guy.
No, I know he's crazy. He made me fall. Look at my knee.
Well, I know. I mean, my point is, when all this blows over, if this guy's still around, he's going to come after you.
Well, he doesn't stay here.
He told me, or the daughter told me that he will kill her if she knows if he knows about this.
Want to make contact with the 320.
Hello.
All right. Can you step out here and just speak to us for a second? Okay, so what happened that ended up with you getting away from your dad?
Well, he's been drinking. He has like a drinking problem.
Okay.
And he's been yesterday he was drinking, he was fine, he wasn't getting mad. And then today he was like really getting into it, drinking, and he got really drunk at the bar. And then he started yelling at Sophia like, "Dude, am I allowed to cuss?"
That's fine.
He
You're
was
not
like,
getting in
"Get your
trouble.
ass out of there." And then he started yelling at me, and I started crying. He's like,
So was he like grabbing you and pulling you?
"No," he was yelling, and then like her mom was like grabbing, like not like grounding him, but like kind of like blocking him from getting to me because we were walking. And that's when we decided to come up here.
So then you came up here and you've just been up here ever since?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, we have to take you out to the front of the car, okay?
So what?
We gotta take you out front.
Stand up for me. What? Walk this way.
Ow, you're hurting my right arm.
Okay, I'm gently holding.
No, you're not. You're
well,
pushing it.
Watch your head.
Right now,
Just give us 1 second, man.
What is she? Just a second, right? I need you to take a couple steps back for me, please. Thank you.
Just give me 1 second, okay? We'll let us deal with this, and then we'll explain everything to you, okay? No.
I don't want to do that. Listen, you're being detained right now until we figure out what's going on.
After Richard's older daughter corroborates the entire story about this situation being incited by her father's drunk behavior, the original officer explains the arrests of the other male and female.
Do you know where his mom is?
I don't.
I just need to know that the babies are gonna be okay.
That was our first and main priority.
Yeah, and that's the whole reason my mom was freaking out.
I know.
Because she told us that if he knows cops are around, Rex would go there, right?
Yeah, he was still not in the right state of mind.
Exactly.
So,
Yes, sir.
the girl that's with that father, what are we supposed to do with her?
I'm not leaving her.
I just don't want that to turn into, I mean, nobody knows anybody. Least of all, it should not be our responsibility to take care of her, I guess is my point.
I got you.
I'm going to ask me a couple other questions. So, my daughter, his mom, he got arrested, and her husband. So, where do we go from here with that?
Regarding what happened to their mom, that was what Officer Hansel was there with. She has a reason for why she was trying to put her in handcuffs, and she kept pulling away. And that's when I stepped in and helped out with that.
Well, I mean, but why did she try to put her in handcuffs to start with?
Well, I wasn't there for that. I was dealing with the dad with the little girl.
Okay, and then when her husband, Nick,
Yes.
who's now he got arrested, what did he do?
So the first time he slapped me in the hand when I asked him to stay back. So he swatted at me, hit my hand. I told him to stay back. I'm going to let you go with one of these because I knew he was frustrated.
I was standing right there. So.
Yeah. So I told him to stay back. And he kept stepping forward. So as I tell him to step back again, and I put my hand up like this, he hits my hand again.
I didn't see that.
It's in there. I know you had your phone out.
I did, yeah.
So my body camera's been activated this whole time, too.
Okay.
So that's why, at that point, that's why he wasn't handcuffed.
Okay, so where do they go from here? What can we do from here?
Just take it a step at a time. I'm going to call my supervisor and talk with him.
What a spectacle these f***ing dumbasses are making. There's a guy with his 5-year-old daughter that they're challenging him as to his integrity with her. You're also at a resort, have some fucking sense of priority with people. Idiots.
In the aftermath, the father was suspected of child abuse and child endangerment, and Child Protective Services took over the care of his daughters. The mother and her husband, who became involved in the altercation, faced charges ranging from domestic violence to felony battery on a law enforcement officer. While each adult will have to answer in court, the children were placed in safe custody, away from the chaos. What began as a summer night by the pool ended as a criminal case, reminding us that when alcohol, anger, and family conflict collide, the consequences can change lives forever.